Good morning, everyone. You join us here at Durham Railway Station, where we are about to hop on a train down to London. We're on the train. We have managed to get an upgrade to first class, so travelling down to London in style today. We're just having a look at the menu. So on first class, you get food included. Right, we're going to sit down, relax, and enjoy our train ride, and we'll see you guys in London.
Where we finish our journey today.
And just like that, we're in London. Welcome to King's Cross. Welcome to London, where we're about to have a 4-night stay here. But first things first, it's spitting rain, and we'd really like to check into our hotel. So let's go there first. And we have just made it to our hotel, 20 Nevern Square. Let's go get checked in and see what the room is like. All right. Wow. Fancy. That is a big bed. Welcome to our hotel room. Let me give you the tour. First off, we have this quite fancy 4-poster bed, which looks quite nice. We have a little desk, tea and coffee facilities. We have me, of course, no room would be complete without me. And we have the bathroom over here. Let's have a look at this. It's got a toilet, a bin. We got bits and pieces. Hello. We have a sink with, rituals. Hand wash and hand and body lotion. And it looks clean. Smells a bit bleachy, but honestly, I don't mind that. Means a bit in here doing a bit of cleaning. We'll be enjoying that later now after all the wander around today. And let's go see what Marcus is up to. Yeah, cold. That's nice and cold, yeah. And the view is quite nice as well. We're across from a little park. So a bunch of trees, bit of greenery, nice in the middle of the city. So we're gonna have a little chill here for a bit, and then later on we're going to head into town, see some sights. See you in a bit. So we've come to the first stop on our little trip to London to see Kensington Palace. Whatever this is. Scenic. Marcus, is that the palace?
Maybe.
Maybe? I have no idea. It's something. Oh, there's at least one part of it that's not covered by scaffolding, I guess. Nah, not worth it. That's one part of it there. £24 is a bit much to go in, I think. Would you go in? You're not interested in it either, are you?
No.
This is only the Royals, like. So we're in the, what is it?
The
Princess of Wales Memorial Garden.
Sunken Garden.
What makes it sunken? Oh, I guess it's a bit lower. Which is herself and the lads. Why is there 3 children? Who's the other one?
Prince William, Prince Harry, I don't know.
We'll go around to the other side.
You're on the other side and have a look.
We can zoom in and see who this other person was. I can't tell unless it says it on the bottom. My eyesight's not very good. There's the garden in all its glory now. You can zoom in and see yourself down there with that mysterious 3rd child. I am absolutely loving the arches in here. I bet on a sunny day you come in here for a bit of shade and it would be absolutely lovely. But I guess on a rainy day it's also quite nice. We're at the round pond and some lad is feeding the geese. And the geese are going mental. They are loving it.
Oh,
Getting all the food. Yeah, literally says don't feed the birds, like right there. They're little babies.
Lunch.
They're little baby ducks. Did you just call them lunch?
Lunch.
Stop calling them lunch.
Hello. Hello.
They're so small.
Oh, feathers.
Look how itty bitty they are. Hello. Got even more baby geeses. Look at them.
Ryan Goslings.
Ryan Gosling. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a squirrel over there. Get it, boy! No, it's too smart.
Hello.
He's playing with the squirrels, but there's also kids there, so I'm not going to record it. Did you see the squirrel?
No, no lunch for me today.
Oh, I saw it run up the tree.
I saw the squirrel.
Yeah. So we're just coming up on what is called the physical energy statue. Let's see what it's about. Well, this is it. Physical energy statue. George Frederick Watts. OMRA, Physical Energy, bronze cast for Kensington Gardens, where it was placed September 1907. I don't get it.
Apparently there's one in South Africa and one in Zimbabwe. Which,
And one in Surrey. The full-size model for the sculpture's on display in Surrey.
is this not the full size?
I'm confused. Another squirrel over there. He's very slowly getting away. Peter Pan statue. Some guy standing in front of it. Let's get a bit of a zoom on it there now. Statue. And some dude. Nice bit of water here, I think it's called the Serpentine. And once we cross over it, we'll be in Hyde Park. That's one of the places that we needed for our Wonder UK bottles. Get a sticker on it. So we're going to go over there next now. These are the Italian gardens. What makes an Italian? I don't know. Maybe just the little building down there.
There's the pirates.
The pirates? Oh, there's pirates. I missed them. There's bloody pirates all over the gardens. I don't know what's going on there.
Cowboy pirate? Cowgirl pirate?
A girl pirate.
Pink.
A bright pink one.
Right, something going on.
There's, I don't know, yeah, something pink pirate. There's loads of pirates over there. Pirates. Just have a bit of a look at this little wagon here, whatever this is for. Ice cream. Impressive. Feels like a bit of a shame to use it for that, but I guess that's what it's for. Welcome to Hyde Park. It's a park. There are trees, there is grass, there are squirrels and birds, and it's wet. It's very wet. Today is not the day to be here, I'll be honest. But hey, we visited it, and now we're making a beeline to Buckingham Palace. We've just sat down in the Serpentine Bar and Kitchen, and because we were a bit hungry and it's raining really bad, and we just grabbed a sandwich each and a drink to share. £20. Welcome to London. There's a bit of a waterfall over there. Zoom in there. Looks nice. Let's catch up with Marcus. He's abandoning me. You're abandoning me. Hey, look. It's a boulder.
Boulder?
Yeah.
It's a rock.
So even though that food was like 20 quid, you know, it was nice, right? It was a good sandwich. Keep us going for the long trek to Buckingham Palace. I'm just about to go through the rose garden. There's some very odd looking bushes over there. What on earth are those like? There are some quite pretty roses here though. I suppose you'd expect that in a place called the Rose Garden. Look like tiny little miniature roses. They're so cute. That's quite an impressive archway. Well, that was Hyde Park, another area ticked off our list. Not the weather for exploring it, I'll be honest, so we didn't see very much of it. We're just about to cross over the road now to go through Wellington Arch. Oh, nothing coming. All right, we're just gonna ignore the traffic lights and just go for it. It might have a name on it somewhere, the arch. Okay.
Yes, this is the Royal Artillery Memorial.
Okay, and what about the one over there?
And this is the Australian War Memorial.
Okay. And then this here?
Is the big beef man himself arch, aka Wellington Arch.
Beef Wellington. What's this? What's this?
Equestrian statue. No. No.
No, hang on, let me zoom in. It's just
No,
a bunch of pillars.
That's the big beef man himself over there.
Big beef man.
There's
Hang
the
on.
equestrian statue of Duke of Wellington.
Okay,
See his ass.
okay. So we don't know what the weird thing over there is.
No idea.
Right. Right. I want to know when the big beef Wellington arch was built. So let's see if we can find out. There's a plaque in front of me. Let's see. Can I zoom in? There we go. So presented to the nation as a mark of respect, loyalty, and respect. Oh, deepest loyalty and respect to his late revered Majesty Edward VII. And I assume those Roman numerals underneath it. So we think it's 1912. Think MCMXII. I think that's 1912.
Yeah,
M is 1,000,
yeah.
C is 100. C before M means 900. Then XII is 12. 1912. So it's not old. I came here for old things. We're on Constitution Hill.
Yes.
So my question is, do they have to roll for it?
Boo.
Welcome to Buckingham Palace. It's a palace. Bit of a house. A few statues around. It's alright. Do us a favour there, love. Look that up on Zoopla now and see how much you'd get for that. Proof that I was at Buckingham Palace. This is the only time you'll ever see me this close to the royal family without getting arrested. So again, this is another spot that I have no intention of going into. You can, but no, not for me. We can't go over there, but there's a Lego store waiting for us. That's more important than Buckingham Palace. I'm sorry. This is the Queen Victoria Memorial. I wonder who this lad is here with the lion. He looks like a blacksmith.
Gift of New Zealand.
Gift of New Zealand, very nice. The Royal Automobile Club over there. Such a big building for that.
It's not an actual for cars, it's for rich people.
Oh, probably, yeah. We're in that part of London. We got a statue of Florence Nightingale over here. Sidney Herbert there, never heard of them. And this is the Crimea War Memorial in the background. I guess that must be the Canadian Embassy over there.
I don't know, it could be Tim Hortons.
That could be actually. We're both wrong. It's Canada House. We're just coming into Trafalgar Square now. At least I think so.
We're almost.
In front of us.
Almost.
Almost.
Like this is... oh, it is Trafalgar Square, yeah.
Yeah.
Over there.
It looks like a square.
There's Trafalgar Square.
Yeah.
We'll go over there.
Is that him on the old yoke up
Yeah.
above? All right.
With the rope wrapped around it.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Must have had something here recently.
And sports.
Some kind of sports thing. Oh yeah, is that a tennis court over there?
Yeah.
Any special buildings around here apart from the one behind us? What's that there? The National Gallery. Are we going to the National Gallery?
Yeah, we do. Yeah.
Yeah. What day are we going?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. All right,
Tomorrow.
we're back here tomorrow. So
Yeah,
National
back to the
Gallery.
National Gallery tomorrow.
All right. That's free, right?
Yeah, yeah, it's just free
Okay.
entry for everyone.
Love the free museums in the UK. Sainsbury Wing. We'll find out if it's the same Sainsbury as Sainsbury's. And I'll put it in the video below. And we have made it to Leicester Square, which is the location of our next very, very important location.
Greg's.
Greg's, yeah. We want to go into the Lego store and there's a massive queue. I assume we're going to queue up anyway.
Yep.
Aye.
You can see the Minister.
Ooh, the Minas Tirith, yeah. We're going into the store and we're having a look at the new Minas Tirith Lego set because it's already on the way to the house. It's already been bought and it's on the way. And yeah, looking through the window, it looks a lot smaller than I thought it was.
Insert picture.
Yeah, if he builds the Lego before this video goes live, I'll insert a picture of it in the house here. Might be popping into there afterwards. This is the back of it. Yeah, it doesn't look massive. I'm sure we'd find a place for it somewhere. We've got a whole Aston Martin car made out of Lego here that you can sit into. Okay, it is loud and it's noisy in here. I think we're just gonna get our passport stamped and then have a quick look around and then get in. We're in M&M world. It is insane. You can get an M&M of any colour you want in here. It's absolutely wedged though. This man here is going to get a bag full of blue M&Ms. So I'm going to go find another colour and get a bag of them. Maybe orange to match my jacket today. I think that's what I'll do. Gonna get some extra crispy M&Ms as well. They're all mixed colours though.
I got these.
You are done?
I think these will be expensive.
I've just seen the size of the bag that he has compared to mine. Yeah, he can pay for his own M&Ms today, I think. Do you want to tell the world how much your M&Ms cost you?
£37.
Jesus Christ. For reference, the bag I got was like £7. He bought a kilogram of M&Ms. We're in Chinatown now. We're gonna try and find a restaurant to have dinner at. Sure, you know, it wouldn't be anywhere without an Irish bar in the middle of it. We've just finished up dinner at Dumplings Legend. So full of food, absolutely delicious. I ordered 1 bottle of beer and they accidentally brought me 2, so I drank 1.5. You want to have a look at the bakery? You having a look? That sounds quite nice actually. Okay, we're exhausted, so we're gonna hop back on the tube and get back to the hotel, and I'll see you there. We are back at the hotel now, absolutely exhausted. 24,000 steps today, and it was only half a day of just tourist shenanigans in London. And we came back and there's like a play or something going on in the park across the road from the house. If I zoom in, you can see there's a bunch of people down there, and that kind of clearing in front of them, there's like guys acting when they're playing instruments and stuff. It might be over now, but yeah, they've been regaling us with their music now for a little bit, which has been kind of nice to listen to. So that is us for day 1. This is quite a short video because it has only been a half day here in London. Tomorrow is an absolutely packed day of stuff. I don't know how we're going to fit it all in, but we'll do our best. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. See you in the next one. Bye bye.